reviewing meal prep delivery services so you don't have to waste your time or money. Today we've got another meal from Factor Meals. Let's go. And hit that follow if you found this video helpful. Today we've got an apricot mustard grilled chicken with smashed potatoes and green beans. Let's take a quick peek at the nutrition facts here. We've got 590 calories. We've got 40 grams of protein, 43 grams of carbs, and 8 grams of fiber. And then we've got 29 grams of fat and 880 milligrams of sodium. Now remember, the fat and the sodium, some people will take issue with that, but it's perfectly fine as part of a well-balanced diet. All right, I'm not gonna lie. After warming it up, I'm less than impressed with the presentation. The mashed potatoes looks like watery. But the chicken does look good and the green beans look fresh. So let's give it a try. All right, I've got it transferred to the plate. It's looking a little bit better, but looks like we left a lot of juices behind. Let's give it a taste. Chicken first, of course. It's got good flavor. All right, this apricot mustard sauce is good on its own. Let's try it on the chicken. Here we go. It's a little bit better. I'm gonna have to deduct some points for the texture of the chicken. The chicken, it's a little bit rubbery. Smashed potato time. Let's do this. Meh. Meh. They are watery. Definitely watery. Kind of tastes like they're instant. Check out the consistency there. I like a thicker mashed potato, that's for sure. Definitely don't want to be tasting water. But bonus points because the skin is in, which I do prefer, so you get a little bit of texture there. Green beans with a little bit of butter. They're crunchy. That's a good thing. They're not overcooked. All right, I am a fan of the green beans. Okay, so the chicken gets bonus points for the flavor, but loses points for the texture because it's kind of rubbery, like I said. Bonus points for the apricot mustard. I'm just going to eat it like this. It's good. But I got to be honest here, overall, I would not recommend this meal. It's just meh. It's okay. Nothing special. Protein, that's about it.